We are going to be discussing about how to remove malware on your Windows 11 device using the inbuilt Windows tools. Windows 11 includes built-in security tools that can help detect and remove certain types of malware. While these tools may not be as comprehensive as a third-party antivirus software, they can still be effective in many cases. In one of our previous videos, we installed a free antivirus on this Windows client operating system. The antivirus can help us actually detect malware and also remove malware. We can also use that antivirus to actually scan our device. But if I go to my start menu and I go to settings, in settings go to privacy and security, and here click Windows Security. So let me just click open Windows Security, and then we want to go to the virus and threat protection. So right now you can see it says there are no threats found. You can see that scan lasted 1 minute for the 4 seconds. You can see how much file, about 30,419 files were scanned, and no threat was detected. That was actually a quick scan. But we can actually go to scan options, and here you can see we have quick scan, full scan, custom scan, even we have the Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. We can decide to go for a custom scan and then click scan now. You can see it's trying to tell me where do I want to scan. Well, let me just cancel that, and we can also do a full scan. By doing a full scan, it will actually try to scan all our devices and try to see if there are any malware on my device. But mind you, doing a full scan is going to take more time, but depends on how many files you have on your device. This is actually a new operating system which I don't actually use often. It's only being used at this moment just for this training. But at the same time, the full scan is going to take more time than a quick scan, because the quick scan that happens behind the scene was just between 1 minute and 44 seconds, but this can actually take more minutes to scan. And also you can see that the scan is actually still taking place. But I just want to tell you, in case, for example, you detect a malware and you couldn't remove that malware with your scan option or with your antivirus, let me give you this tip as an experienced IT system administrator. What you can actually do, you can actually start your device using safe mode. Normally when you start your device, you can actually press the F8, usually F8 or Shift F8 to access your F2 or F5 sometimes to access the safe mode on your device, so for your device to start in safe mode, and then you can actually run this Windows Security scan again. Because by running it with your Windows Security scan in safe mode, you'll definitely know that some of your drivers and some of the tools on your Windows client operating system is not running, because in safe mode, not all your operating system is going to start without some specific tools. So by doing that, it's going to allow you to actually scan your device deeply and try to remove any threat from your device. So this is how you actually scan your device using the virus and threat protection tool, which is actually included in Windows 11 operating system for free. And mind you also, if you don't install an antivirus on your device, you will have the basic protection from the virus and threat protection from Microsoft.